Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 13 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Pan Setharin. Lesson 13 in Khmer we say Me Rien Ti Dabbai. It's on page 16. In this lesson we are learning another set of vowels. They are srak, srak, and srak, and we are learning to combine them with the consonant that we have learned so far. Okay, so now let's read these words, but first of all let's read the consonant plus a vowel and then the word. Okay, here we go. Ko srak ke, khaw srak khai, do srak dai, do srak de, thaw srak tai, thaw srak thai, chaw srak chai, chaw srak chai, ko srak kai, chaw srak chai, khaw srak khai, ko srak ke, ko ke, which mean to gnaw. Okay, do srak de, which mean to sew or to stitch. Okay, in this picture here, the first picture, it reads kai, which means month or moon. The second picture reads ke day, which means she sews. Okay, let's look at this in more detail. Here are the three vowels: sra-a, sra-I, and sra-I. Okay, notice these dotted circle. This is where the consonants are located when they combine with these vowels. Okay, so sra-a, sra-I, sra-I, they are located to the left of the consonant. Okay, and the sound of these vowels, a, I, are used with the first series consonant. Okay, let's practice reading the words by saying the consonant, the vowel, and then the word. Okay, all right, start with ko. Ko srak ke, khaw srak khai, do srak dai, do srak de, thaw srak tai, thaw srak thai. Let's look at another set. Okay, chaw srak chai, chaw srak chai, ko srak kai, chaw srak chai, and khaw srak khai. Okay, here again is a list of the consonant that we have learned so far, and we adding the three vowels to these consonants. Okay, and here we're gonna say the consonant plus the sound of the vowels and then the word. Okay, let's start with ko. Ko e ke, ko ai kai, ko ai kai. Khaw, ko e ke, ko ai kai, ko ai kai. Thaw, thaw e te, thaw ai tai, thaw ai tai. Chaw, chaw e che, chaw ai chai, chaw ai chai. Chaw, chaw e che, chaw ai chai, chaw ai chai. Đó, đỏ e đế, đỏ ai đái, đỏ ai đày. Thaw, thaw e thế, thaw ai thái, thaw ai thầy. Another thaw, thaw e thế, thaw ai thái, thaw ai thầy. Okay, now let's read these words. Okay, có, kế, cái, cày. Khó, khế, khải, khay. Tó, tế, tái, tay. Chó, chế, trái, chay. Chó, chế, trái, chay. Đó, đế, đái, đay. Thó, thế, thái, thay. Thó, thế, thái, thay. Let's look at some of the vocabularies in this lesson here. We have quite a few. Okay, so the first one is kai, which means month or moon. Second one is dai, which means hand, arm, handle, or lever. De, which means to sew or to stitch. Tai means tea. Dai means also to or indeed. Tai means to take care of, watch over, or look after. Chai means lice. Okay, let's look at the next sets of vocabulary. Okay, so we have kai, which means trigger. Kai means to drill. Tai means Thai as people or as a language. Kai means to correct or to fix or to repair. Có kê, that means to nibble or gnaw at. Kê đê, which means she sews. Okay? So, lesson 13, in Khmer we say mê riêng ti đập bảy. And lesson 13 is on page 16. 16 in Khmer we say đắp pramoi. Okay? So page 16 in Khmer we say tumpo ti đắp pramoi. Now let's take our piece of paper and a pencil and learn how to write the vowels and combining them with the consonant that we have learned. Okay? Okay. Let's first write the vowels. Okay? Let's write the A. So the A, we start with an inside circle. Up, straight up, left up a little bit, and come back. Okay, so A. Now it's the I. Same thing. Inside circle, up, left a little bit, up. Okay, and we add this half circle, kind of like this. Okay, it's the I. And now it's the I. Start with the same thing. Inside circle, up, left, coming back, and this upper here is going to the left. Okay, now let's combine these vowels with the first consonant, khaw. Okay, let's write khaw. Okay, now let's write kê. Khaw is a kê. Okay, so these vowels are looking on the left of the consonant. So we write the vowels first. Okay, now cài. Khaw is I cài. Okay. Okay. Now cày. Khaw is I cày. Okay. Now with khaw. So write khaw. K. Khaw is a k. Okay. Now cài. Khaw is I cài. Okay. Khải. Khaw is I khải. Okay. Now with thaw. Okay. Thaw is a tê, right tê. Okay. Now tai. Thaw is I tai. Tai means tea. Okay. Now write tai. Thaw is I tai. Okay. Now with jaw. Okay, let's write J. Jaw is a J. Okay. Now write chai. Jaw is I chai. Okay. Then chai. Jaw is I chai, which means lice. Okay. Okay. Now with chaw. Okay. Now write che. Chaw is a che. Okay. Chai. Chaw is I chai. Okay. Now chai. Chaw is I chai. Okay. Now with daw. Okay. Write day. Daw is a day. Okay. Đài. đoស្រែ ដែរ Okay, now ដៃ ដស្រែ ដៃ Okay, now with thaw. Okay, so ថេ ทอស្រែ ថេ Okay, then ថៃ ทอស្រែ ថៃ Okay, now Thai. Okay, then the common thaw. Okay, so Tay. Okay, now Thai. This Thai means to take care of or look over. Okay. Okay, then Thai. Toss right Thai. So this Thai is Thai people, for example. Okay. Now your assignment is to say sra a, write 10 times, sra I, also 10 times, and sra I as well, write 10 times. Okay. Then say ke, kai, kai, ke, kai, kai, and say it all the way to thaw, and write each one 2 times. Okay. And once again, if you need additional help, then just continue practice till you feel comfortable with. Okay. So now let's review what we have learned. Okay. Lesson 13 in Khmer we say មេរៀនទី 13. It's on page 16. In Khmer we say ទំព័រទី 16. In this lesson we have learned the next sets of vowels. There are sra a, sra I, and sra I. Okay. We have learned how to combine these vowels with the consonant that we have learned so far. Okay. So now let's read these words. Okay. Ke, khai, đáy, đế, tái, thái, chay, trái, cay, trái, khay, gò kế, đê. Okay, this picture reads kai, which means month or moon, and second picture here reads ke de, which means she sews. Okay, so we have now completed lesson 13. I'm Alai. For more info or feedback, please visit Kimbun School of San Francisco. Thanks.